Good day and welcome to another Mecad Minute with me, Deon le Grange. Today we will be looking into upgrading the scripts of the automated tasks in SOLIDWORKS PDM. This vault has recently been upgraded to SOLIDWORKS 2020 Service Pack 1. We can verify that the SOLIDWORKS task add-in has also been upgraded to version 28.01. This corresponds to SOLIDWORKS 2020 Service Pack 1. No further upgrades have been done, and we still need to upgrade our task scripts as well. The script for each task needs to be upgraded individually. To locate your tasks, go to the Tasks node inside SOLIDWORKS PDM. Then, select each task individually that was defined inside your vault. When using a convert task, you need to go to Output File Details. This can differ from task to task. Under Output File Details, you should see a button Advanced Scripting Options. Click this button to reveal your task script. First, scroll all the way to the top of the script and verify that you can see Default Convert Task Script. Make sure that this is the default task and not an edited task. You will notice that the current version of the script is the 2019 version. We will override this using the 2020 task script. Simply click the reset button, and when prompted you can click yes. You will now notice that we have the default version of the 2020 task script. Click OK and click OK again to confirm. The task scripts are not upgraded automatically when upgrading the SOLIDWORKS task add-in. This is done to accommodate users that have created their own custom task scripts and to prevent those scripts from being overwritten by the upgrade. In the case of most upgrades, failing to upgrade the task scripts should not affect your SOLIDWORKS PDM tasks. However, to implement the latest improvements and bug fixes to your tasks, it is essential that you upgrade the task scripts whenever upgrading SOLIDWORKS PDM.